Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Okay, wait for a while. Teacher is fixing. Okay, for a while, Tom.
The view. Hello. Hello. Hello, baby.
Basta. Hello, Tom.
Hello.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good, teacher.
Okay, I'm good, teacher Anne. Okay, why are you late? You forgot? You forgot? Okay, let's have this. Okay, for a while, Tom. Hi, Tom. Welcome to Fun Kids. We are already in lesson 2. Okay, here we go. Now, Tom, what are you reading? Okay, so we are done with that, right? Okay, wait for a while. We are here already. Okay.
Main character.
So we are done.
Hard
We're
work.
finished with this. Okay. So we are in lesson 3. Okay. So welcome to the lesson 3, Tom. So we have here the new words.
Fairy tale.
Okay. So we have here fairy tale. Tom, fairy tale.
Fairy tale.
Math.
Fable.
Math.
Fable.
Fable.
Ghost story.
Myth. Ghost story.
Ghost story.
Detective story. Detective story.
Detective story.
Funny story.
Funny story. Okay. When we say funny story, it is funny. Fun. There is a fun. Funny story. Okay. Now, Tom, can you please move your computer? I cannot see your face. Okay, like that. Little bit nearer. Okay, like that. Okay. So what is funny? Funny story? Happy story. Funny. Do you understand funny?
Yeah.
Okay. Detective story. You understand detective story?
Sorry, teacher.
Okay. Okay, here. Next is detective story. Do you understand detective story?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Ghost story. You understand what is ghost story? Ghost. You understand ghost story?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, very good. We have here, look at this one. So, at the right side, Tom, we have here adjective. Okay, we have here adjective. Okay, so we have lazy, this one, naughty, and rude. Okay, you understand what is lazy?
Yeah.
Okay, naughty. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, rude. You understand what is this?
Slow.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Lazy, naughty, rude. Okay. So we have here some of the words. Okay, like this. How about selfish? Selfish.
Selfish.
Oh, you understand selfish?
Yeah.
Stupid.
Stupid.
You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Generous. You understand generous?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good, Tom. Wow, Tom, very smart boy. Okay, here now. So look at this one. So teacher Ann will give you, okay, all of these words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are adjective. Again, they are adjective. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here I will have to tell you, I will write sentence using the word lazy. Okay, let's move to lazy. Teacher Ann will give a sentence using the word lazy. Okay, my friend is very lazy. Okay, my friend is very lazy. Okay, so lazy. Okay, my friend is very lazy.
My friend is very lazy.
Okay, very lazy. Next. Okay, can you give me a sentence using the word lazy?
Lazy.
Okay, can you make me a sentence? Make sentence. Okay, go, Tom. Go, go. Teacher Ann is lazy. Okay, what else? Go, Tom.
He is lazy.
Okay, he is lazy. Very good, Tom. Next, can you give me sentence using the word naughty? Give me a sentence using the word naughty.
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 Yes?
Yeah.
Can you give me a sentence using the word naughty?
My
Okay? Do you have, okay, teacher Ann will give first. I don't like a naughty boy. Okay. Okay, how about you? Can you give me a sentence using the word naughty?
my baby boy is very noisy.
Okay, very good. My baby boy is very naughty. Okay. Okay, my baby boy is very naughty. Yes. My baby boy is very naughty. Oh, good job, kid. Tom Tom. Okay. How about the word selfish? Can you make me a word using the word selfish? Go, Tom. You can do it, Tom.
My friend is selfish.
My friend is
Very
selfish. Okay. Very good. My friend is selfish. Okay. So, I will not let you make sentence from the word rude, stupid, and generous because I will make this as your homework. I will make you sentence using the word rude, stupid, and generous. Okay, go. So let's move now. Thank you, Kea. Thank you, Tom. You're doing great job today. Yay. Okay, so you can make your own sentence now. Okay, next one here. So these are the words. And again, Teacher Ann told you these are adjectives. Adjectives. Okay. What is adjective, teacher? Teacher Ann told you about that. Adjective
is
what's that? It describes a person, place, or thing. Okay. Adjective describes a person, place, or thing. Okay. Again, adjective describes a person, place, or things. Okay? So
okay.
those are adjectives.
Is
Yeah. So like this, like when I say example, teacher Ann is lazy. So look at this one. So I describe, okay, look at this one, Tom. So I describe Teacher Ann is lazy. So I describe Teacher Ann. So this Teacher Ann, this is the adjective lazy. So I describe Teacher Ann is, what is Teacher Ann? Teacher Ann is lazy. Oh my God, Teacher Ann, you're lazy. Okay, so Teacher Ann is lazy. So lazy is adjective, right? Lazy is adjective. Yes. So adjective, it describes Teacher Ann. That Teacher Ann is lazy, right? Do you understand, Tom Tom?
yeah.
Yay! Very good. I love you, Tom. Very good, Tom. Wow, very smart boy. Okay, one more example. Okay, like here. Okay. My baby boy is very naughty. Okay. So look at this one. Where is the adjective?
And is nosy.
Naughty. Naughty is the adjective, teacher. And it describes who? Who is naughty? Who is naughty?
Adjective.
Okay, who is naughty in the sentence? My baby boy is very naughty. Who is naughty?
Baby boy.
Yeah, very good. So this one, naughty, which is the adjective, it describes baby boy. Baby boy is no
Naughty.
naughty, teacher Ann. Baby boy is naughty. Exactly, baby boy is naughty. Yes. Now here. Okay, let's move here. So you understand adjective? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Now let's go to the grammar. What kind of book do you like? Here. What kind of book do you like? Okay, here, example. What kind of book do you like? I like fable, story.
Fable?
Story. Yeah. Okay. Another. What kind of book do you like? I like math.
Me.
Okay. What kind of book do you like? I like
Ghost story.
ghost story. Very good. So here, what he or she like. Okay. What he or she likes. He, she. Okay. Look at that one. Okay, here, look at what he or she like. He is, his like,
She is gentle.
okay. She is Tom, she's
Gentle.
gentle, okay. She is Snow White and she's like a kind. He is Fox and it is clever.
Clever.
He is Anchom and Auntie M and he is hard working. Now you have here, Tom. Please, do you have paper there?
Oh.
Okay. Now, you will have to answer what is much for number one. Okay, you write number one. You write what is much. You pick your answers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay? Answer now. And later you tell me. Okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Tom. Okay, just tell me what, or mean, just write. You pick your answers here, A, B, C to H.
No.
Okay, you answer now.
Oh.
Okay, just tell me, Tom, if you are done.
Okay.
Okay, you're done?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, number one, what's the answer? What's
C.
Auntie M like? What's the answer? Letter?
C.
Letter C?
C.
Oh, very good, boy. Number two, do you like reading fairy tales?
M.
Do you like reading fairy tales? What's the answer?
M.
Letter D. Okay. Number three, what's your answer?
H.
Okay. What are you reading? Letter H. I'm reading The Fox and the Crow. Very good, Tom. Number four, what's Snow White like?
G.
Okay, very good. Letter G. She's beautiful and kind. Number five, what's Aladdin like?
I.
Letter, he's a clever boy. Okay, number six, what are the seven dwarfs like?
E.
Okay, very good. They are short and generous. You know what is dwarf? The small people, the dwarf are small people. They are small people. Okay, number seven, what is she's reading?
M.
M? Is there a letter M?
F.
Okay. Okay, letter F. Okay. Number eight. What comes mother like?
B.
She's a cruel woman. Yeah. Good job, Tom. Good job. Yeah. Good job, Tom. Okay. Here. Okay. Now, Tom, please help me to arrange these things. You help me arrange this one. Okay, go, Tom.
Tom is very gentle.
Okay, let's see. Tom is very gentle. Next, number two.
What are you reading, Quang?
Oh, let's see. Very good, Tom. Number three, Tom. Number three, Tom. What's the answer?
Girl.
Number three, go, Tom. You can do it.
Girl to story Vietnamese.
Okay, let's see here. The teacher Anne will help you. It's a story about two Vietnamese girls. Again, it's a story about two Vietnamese girls. Okay, number 4. What's the answer for number 4?
Who is the main character?
Character.
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 Okay, who is the main character? Okay, who is the main character?
Yeah.
Okay, again, who is the main character? Okay.
Who is the main character?
Very good. Okay, great job, Tom. Okay, here. So, answer the questions about you. I will ask questions about you, Tom. Okay, number 1. Do you read books in your free time?
I'm reading Doraemon.
Okay, do you read books in your free time?
Doraemon and Harry Potter.
Okay.
I'm reading Doraemon and Harry Potter teacher.
Very good. What are you reading now? Now, what are you reading?
What are you reading now?
Yes. What are you reading now? What are you reading now?
Music?
Yeah. Now, you read Harry Potter? You read Harry Potter now?
Yeah.
Okay, next. What is your favorite fairy tale character? What is your favorite fairy tale character? Your favorite. You like Harry Potter? Harry Potter is not a fairy tale, right? So you don't have fairy tale. You don't like. How about Batman? It's not fairy tale, it's cartoon. How about Auntie M? You don't know Auntie M? I don't know Auntie M also. Teacher don't know also. Okay, here. Next. What? Oh, you like Harry Potter. Can you describe Harry Potter? Why you like Harry Potter?
He like.
Because?
Because
Harry Potter is?
Because Harry Potter is very scary.
Okay, clever. Harry Potter is very clever, right? Very clever. Okay, next one here. Okay, so we don't have enough time, Tom, because, okay, so we will have our class. Okay, can we have class? How about tomorrow? Okay, I guess we will be having class on Sunday. Okay, I'll be seeing you on Sunday. Okay, Tom, on Sunday, Teacher Ann will be with you again. Okay? Okay? So teacher will be with you again on Sunday and we will continue on lesson 4. Okay, I will give homework to you. After this one, Teacher Ann will give homework. Okay, now here, your homework, you will have to take a video about this one. You will have to take a video and you will answer this one. Okay, somebody will ask questions like, do you read books in your free time? And you will answer and then take a video. Okay? Okay, very good. Okay. So now, Tom, Teacher Ann will say, goodbye, Tommy.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you and I will give you homework, okay? Okay, yay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tommy boy. Teacher Ansel has a class, okay? Bye-bye, Tom, thank you. Oh, I like your sweater. It's nice, that one. It's X. What's X sign in your jacket? What's that X sign? Oh, that one. What's X sign? Yeah, that one. What is that? It's the sign?
I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye, Tom. Bye-bye.